Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking to the singles. These are useful tips that you should know. These are words of wisdom that the singles should know about marriage. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Do not forget to follow me. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Let's get into the video. Number 1, my dear singles, single men and women, do not invest all your time and energy planning for a wedding. Plan for your marriage. A wedding just happens on one single day. Marriage is a lifetime commitment. Number 2, a stingy man who is single, who is still your boyfriend or your fiancé, will still be more stingy, even more stingy in marriage. Number 3, silence can never be misquoted, and you can never regret what you said when you were silent. Number 4, if you want what no one has, what no one has had before, be prepared to do what no one has done before. Number 5, listen, when God wants to bless you, He puts someone in your life. Likewise, when Satan wants to destroy you, he puts someone in your life. Choose wisely. Number 6, it is better to be single and alone in peace and happy than to be married with the wrong person, than to be married to the devil himself. Number 7, avoid a contentious woman. Number 8, you should avoid these 3 men: a womanizer, a drunkard, and a short-tempered, hot-tempered man. Number 9, always remember that marrying a comedian doesn't guarantee you a happy marriage. Number 10, do not choose a partner who doesn't take God and doesn't consider God first in his life, whose life is anti-God. Number 11, these 3 statements should always be your magic words in your life and relationships. I love you. I am sorry. Thank you. Number 12, do not pay too much attention to your being single. You might end up getting a partner because of desperation. Number 13, when you cohabit, you risk marital failure. Number 15, masturbation is distraction. Short-term and long-term distraction to yourself, to your physical self. Number 16, when you are looking for marriage, first seek friendship in a partner before you take it to the level of marriage. Number 17, do not rush into marriage. You might risk burying your destiny. And before you get married, seek counsel from adults, from counselors, from people who have been there before. They will help. Number 18, a successful marriage that you seek is always a triangle. God at the top, man and woman at the sides. Number 19, why you marry is as important as who you marry. Know your why, the same way you know your who. Number 20, happiness in life walks hand in hand with your choice of marriage partner. Because remember, when you get married, it's the last step you're going to take. Then you will live happily ever after. Number 21, as a man, you need divine wisdom from God in choosing a lifetime marriage partner. Number 22, Do not place all your wisdom on good looks. No woman is ugly, she just needs rebranding. No man is ugly, he just needs a push with love, with comfort, with adoration, and with the right motivation to make it to a good husband. Number 23. Beauty is vanity. 3 major characteristics to look for in a woman: the fear of God, wisdom, and discretion. Number 24. The best way to enslave a woman is to show her excess love. Look, as a rule, women don't run away from where they are pampered. 25. Love is not blind. Infatuation and lust are the blind ones, not love. Number 26. Love puts God first. Lust puts sex first. Number 27. Test every love with your peace of mind. If it is not there, then you know God is absent. Listen to your gut. Listen to your inner self. Listen to your subconscious mind. Number 28. If you are true, you will attract true. And the reverse is also true. Number 29. Caring hearts attract caring hands. Number 30. Desperation leads to frustration. Number 31. Remember and listen. Bad marriages can be avoided before they even start. Number 32. Keep yourself pure and your bed undefiled. Number 33. Follow your heart to love. Don't try to change someone or try to convert someone into what you want them to be. If they love you, they will change by themselves. Don't force it. It happens naturally where there is love. Number 34. Do not carry the problems that you saw in your parents' marriage into your own relationship. Wage war against the devil. That fault your parents' relationship that he doesn't follow you in your own marriage. Number 35. Marriage is a covenant. Always look before you leap. Number 36. It's better to be single and believe in God for marriage than to be married and believe in God to be single. So before you enter marriage, prepare well. Number 37. A broken courtship is far better than a failed marriage. Number 38. Do not marry money or property. Do not marry because of material things. Marry a person. Number 39. Be presentable. Always. Last but not least is number 40. Love yourself first. Love yourself more. You cannot love another person before and without loving yourself. You heard me? Choose wisely. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Thank you. I love you. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. And don't forget to visit NoraArake.com. See you in the next video. Bye.